Hi. You remember Night of the Living Ducks? Look at the size of these guys. They're huge. Look at that guy. Wow. Oh, they're like talking at each other, like yelling at each other. They're having a beak fight. Whoa. You think we'll find any turtles this time? Here, let's get closer. Yeah, I know. Pigeons are like, they're like the what do they call it? City chickens. They're like the rat of birds.
Maybe if I hold it and I go down, I can.
You think they'll come and take it? It's kind of a big piece, Bear. He might. He's thinking about it. He's bobbing his head. Maybe you gotta start by going halfway with him. Remember, this is still a road too, okay? Look at these guys. These brutes.
Oh, pick up that.
Yeah, that was perfect. He bounced right off his beak. That was a perfect shot.
I got touch.
That was perfect. Oh, he threw it to you. They're trying to pick it up, but it falls. They want it. They're just trying to rip pieces off of it, little pieces off of it.
Wait, I'll make them perfect size.
You're not gonna let me pet you? Ah, Poofy. You got him again? All right. You're good at that. Nice. Look at them chasing each other. They're biting each other, poor things. That might be a little bit of a spring love going on there. I don't know. You still trying to get them close to you? Why are you worried about the pigeons? Try the ducks. You got your three buddies behind you. They're still watching you.
Hey, pigeon. Try some. Hey, pigeon. Try some. Hey, pigeon.
Just checking to make sure it's clean. Because this back monitor is not clean. Hold on. I can't really see what I'm looking at. There we go. Where's all that? That's weird.
This is for the pigeon. Ah, it flew it on my face.
What?
I touched it for a long time.
Jesus, I see him fighting? They're like going after each other hard.